Edge computing is transforming how businesses process data, bringing computation closer to where data is generated. Whether it's on the factory floor, in a retail store, or at a remote healthcare site, Edge technology enables faster insights, lower latency, and improved operational efficiency. By decentralizing data processing, companies can reduce bandwidth strain, enhance real-time decision-making, and unlock new capabilities in AI, IoT, and automation. From predictive maintenance in manufacturing to real-time inventory tracking in retail, the possibilities are vast. But with innovation comes complexity. Edge deployments introduce new security risks, infrastructure demands, and integration challenges. Each use case brings unique compliance requirements and operational hurdles. That's why having an experienced partner is critical. A trusted advisor helps align Edge strategies with business goals, ensures secure implementation, and guides you through scaling with confidence. Edge computing isn't just about speed, it's about smarter, more resilient business. And with the right partner, you're ready to lead at the edge.